about to reach a point where we just turn around. But, like, there has to be. Am I just bad at jumping? Do I need, like, a little creature or something to make me jump that? I'm not understanding that area. Like, do I need to go back and get that little, like, slurp worm? I don't remember what it was called in the comments, but, like, that, bungee cord worm? That, the grapple? The grapply worm? That let me grapple? I don't know. But I don't want to leave here, because then I have to go back through the other area. What? I have to go back through the other area, and then if I ever want to come back here, I have to go back through the other area, which is a nightmare to get through, because it involved a lot of up, and I can't make my jumps. We'll make this one our last up for right now. And then, will I even be able to get through the doors? Because I've tried to go back through doors that I've been through sometimes, and they're just like, no pesco, no collect $200. We'll find out. I'm not worried. I see you. I am leaving. I'm changing my mind. Oh, you move positions. You have more teeth showing. It's not just your little nose. Maybe those are your eyes. I don't know if those are nose or eyes. They're both. Snize. At least I have a full tummy. Saw Deadpool and Wolverine this weekend. That was pretty good. That was a fun movie. But they, I don't want to say spoilers for it. But they, no, I'll be strong. I'll say spoilers later in the episode, because that'll be like 3 weeks from now. Or I'll say spoilers next time I record, which will be like 6 weeks. Which will be videos like 6 weeks from now. Yeah, that's the plan. Oh, okay. This is how we'll do it. Oh, look at all these sticks. Nope. Leave me alone. I feel like I should try going down here sometime. Just full sending it down. That won't be horrible. Oh! Do I need to get up and go for a walk around my house? I can feel myself going grr, bark, 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 bark. We're gonna go back through other areas. We're going back through other areas. I need different. I need new. I need exploration. And this area made me mad. So its punishment is that I'm not gonna be here right now. Water is just steam. I'm too high up. And I will never see you again. Chimney canopy. We're gonna go up here. Hi, popping plants. Or no, I think you're just background plants. Do I just, like, not have this map anymore? I don't like that I'm kind of flying blind. Put it back. That is not fair. That is not fair. Why did my map disappear? I've been there before, haven't I? I had to have been. Hold on. Oh, now I gotta go through this door again. Have I been gone too long? Did it just take the map from me? Have I died too many times that it just takes the map from me? This makes no sense. Give me my map back. Like, I've been here. That freak is gonna be over there. Is it called again a vulture? I don't like him. No. Considering something rash. Considering resetting the whole run. That's just insane brain talking. I knew I needed to go up to get back over it anyway, and I just didn't do it. I just said no. This was a horrible area. Why did no one warn me? I got trapped here. This is the Hotel California. Not even Chapel Rowan can soothe me. Maybe I need to switch over to Pink Pony Club. Oh, look, I can presumably get up there because there's a pipe up there that I can grab if this little black line goes away. Look, there's stuff up there. Let me in. Give me your secrets. I know I can go up, but I can't get up. That means there's more up for me to go. But how? No. I'm leaving. Goodbye. Yellow Brick Road. The dogs of society prowl? Hound? I don't know what the lyrics are. I don't have that song memorized. Ha. Nope. Yeah. You leave me alone. Oh, there's a guy there. That's not fair. There's a guy there doing a fun little dance. Oh, but I did it. I'm getting back to the other area that I have no map of. Oh, no. I was really excited. I was like, oh, is my map returning? I was just telling me there's places I can go. There's things I can do and see. I got so stressed. I was really worried. Slug wasn't gonna grab it. I don't like that you all just freaked out. That's not nice. Where does this go? Where does this lead? Oh, that's right. This led some... I didn't like that. You know what? We're back here. So we'll go up. We'll go up. We're gonna go up to the orange guys, and then we're gonna explore that down, and we're probably just gonna fall to our death, but it's fine. We're having fun. I didn't like that the whole screen turned blue and zappy, but I feel like I need to explore that. But I didn't like it. It scared me. I'm just a little guy. I'm just a guy. I'm just a girl. I really don't want to do another mystery montage. Sorry, I'm thinking about how much I've died in the same areas. I just don't want to do it. What am I doing? I just don't want to do another misery montage. So we might all be in this. We're all in this together. Do you feel me holding your hand? I'm holding your hand as I struggle through this. Unless you don't want me to hold your hand, then I'm like giving you like a nice, you know, pat on the shoulder. Unless you don't want a pat on the shoulder, then I'm sitting beside you. You know? Unless you don't want me sitting beside you, then I'm like, you know, in the next room over. But we're in this together. We're in this together. If I'm suffering, you're suffering. Because guess what? You don't even have to watch this video. Joke's on you. No, I will not have a defeated attitude. I'm having fun. I'm playing a little game. What sounds were that? I heard sounds that I did not like. Where is the invisible guy? He's okay. He's over there. I'm fine. I was never in danger. Oh, double trouble. Oh, triple! Okay, no, we're going back to the pole plants. We're gonna fight the pole plants. Okay, maybe not if I can't get through. What am I doing? I can just is this the one I can climb through? Yeah, what is wrong? What is my brain doing? Somebody help. Actually, I don't think I have to fight the pole plant. I think I can get around it. But I should probably try and fight it, maybe? See, this is an area, I need a little connector here. It's having to go around all of this that's just so tired, you know? Okay. Get punked. Nerd. I don't like this. I don't like that I can't see. Come on, come get me. Come get me. Come. Ha. Ha. I am so cool. You wish you were me. Losers. You have to climb. I'm flying. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die to the stupid pole plant. Or there's gonna be an invisible guy over there. I'm gonna die to the invisible guy. No, I'm not making that mistake of climbing that again. I've been hurt before. Okay, now I gotta get to the... Where is it? There's a little sweet spot. There we go. I'm looking for him. I think he's up there. I think he's there, but I think maybe I can slip past him. Maybe I shouldn't try, but I'm going to. Ha! Ha! Oh. My brain didn't realize that I'd grabbed the pole and I got very scared. Hi, bugs. You're so comforting. I don't know if you're bugs or bats, but you're my friend. You know the worst part of the pole plants up here is I was literally thinking, earlier, I think before I started playing, I was like, wow, I just really haven't seen pole plants in a hot minute. I wonder where they are, you know? Oh, I don't have a stick. Oh, and I need a stick. I'm gonna have to go back down for a stick. Because I don't think I can walk past the pole plant. I'm very scared, like, I'll overshoot and then hit the pole plant and then get stuck. Okay, no, I'm gonna just go back for a stick. Oh, that feels to be the safest method. Any sticks? Hello? Oh, I think that is a stick right there. Excellent. Did not have to go far. I went to the Ren Fair, not last, no, it was last weekend. I got an axe. That was very exciting. It's, you know, it's every little girl's dream to one day own an axe from the Ren Fair. I'm very excited. I'm setting up a little display for it. I polished it, but I set up a little display for it. So worried I'm gonna throw this wrong. Whew, okay, we're fine. We're living! But I'm setting up a little display for it. Hopefully it'll be done and I can put a picture in here and you all can be subjected to my little art display that's holding my axe. I'm very excited. Please. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna go about this way. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I should not try to go this way, but I am going to, because it feels faster in my brain than climbing. Okay. There has to be a bed somewhere, right? There has to be a bed somewhere. Although I'm not discouraged. Oh, there has to be a bed somewhere, right? I'm gonna get rained out. A bed! It's a little staticky vibe. Staticky sound. I don't like it. No, I'm gonna leave that stick there. Eee! Okay. Ah! I finally got to a new bed. Excellent. Excellent. We're making progress. Oh, this bed's so tiny. I'm so small. I'm so little. I'm just a guy. Eee! I'm making progress. I've got somewhere new. Yay! I will say that I don't know if it's necessarily rewarding to get somewhere new, but it is satisfying, which I guess is pretty close to rewarding. But like, it's just like, oh, I did it. All of my struggles were worth it. No, I'm gonna have faith that I don't need a stick. Climb up? Okay, good. This is another one where I'm like, am I just gonna launch myself? But I won't. I'm fine, I'm safe. Can I go up? I can. Oh, there's no more clouds! I'm past the clouds. Hi, lone bat. Hello, multiple bats. Look at all of the stuff in the background. I need to pay attention to where I'm moving. Look at all that stuff in the background. Oh, so many cell towers. Are there other guys up there? I have to go back to that area where it was blinking blue. That is not where I meant you to grab. But it should do the job. It does. The fear of heights isn't quite activated right now because ooh. Oh, I'm vibrating. Because I know, like, huh? Huh? More.